Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Lens on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, make sure you have Google Lens on your phone. Most Android phones already have it inside the Google app or Google Photos. If not, you can download it from the Play Store. Now, open the Google app. At the top, you'll see a camera icon. Tap on it to open Google Lens. You can now point your camera at anything you want to scan. For example, text, objects, plants, products, or even QR codes. If you want to scan an image from your gallery, tap on the gallery icon and select the photo. Google Lens will instantly analyze the image and show you results. You can use it to copy text, translate languages, search products, or identify objects. For example, if you pointed at text, you can copy it directly to your phone. If it's in another language, you can translate it instantly. Once you're done, just go back or close the app. And that's it. That's how you can easily use Google Lens on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.